Welcome to Lost Adventure Blog, Shane Lawson. That's my son's right there. He got him a Mercedes SUV. Check it out. There's mine. Look at my son's right quick. Nice interior. Yeah, kids in here and they left towels. I need to get them out. There's my son's. See it? We got small kids. Mercedes. That's my son's right there. There's my son's. There's mine. Told you I got me a car. Check it out. See? I got a piece for that. Oh. It's right here in the box. See it? Now I'll fix that there myself. Gotta fix the headliner in it. We'll tear all this here out, fix it. I know I have sunroof, I ain't pay attention to it. See, look. Got my sunroof. Nice car. It. Yep. I have a bicycle in the trunk. For y'all haters, I got a car. Where's yours? Got a bunch of haters in Union about at me. Make fun of me because I ride a bicycle. Where their car at? The one that made fun of me, their bike look worse than mine. Uh-oh, I ain't noticed that. Dent, see it? I just noticed that. See, look at that. See it? I had to get up in there, knock that out. If I get back and behind there, push it back. Ain't no big problem. Ain't nothing perfect in the world. Nice car. Son got to get a bumper put on his head. It was cracked right there. Like my channel, please subscribe. Lost Adventure Blog, Shane Lawson. Right hand side. See y'all later. Bye.